Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter, at the workbench. Yes, I'm using it. Doing a little cleanup, and I found some interesting pieces of wood, some small scraps, two of which are what I would call exterior um, rot-resistant construction timbers. The first, very lightweight, very soft. If you've ever done any home remodeling that would require shingles or shims, you would come across this wood. Okay? Has a very unique scent, aroma. It planes okay. The grain goes in and out a lot, so you have to have super sharp blades and take fine cuts. But this is Eastern white cedar. Now they call it Eastern white cedar, um, but I believe it goes as far west as Michigan, maybe even further. So that's Eastern white cedar, and it can be knotty. You can have knots. The knots plane okay, sharp, sharp, sharp. You have to be sharp. So that's Eastern white cedar, sometimes also known as arborvitae. That's a whole nother story. This one came to me in the form of old boards that were used outdoors, so they were weathered. It also lightweight. It is also lightweight, and it also requires a good sharp blade. And it too has a bit of a unique scent, but these are so old that they have lost a lot of it. So this is Redwood, California Redwood. Rot resistant. So I thought I'd share that with you today in hopes that you're having a great day. Yep, works very nicely. Now, this is all I have of this. When I used to live in New York City, we used to get a lot of redwood in for water tower tanks and for decking and outdoor projects. But it was always crazy expensive. So, not sure what I'll do with these. I've thought about resawing them into thin strips and making little boxes out of them. But in fact, there's a little piece here. I don't remember why I have this little piece. Must have been from when I ripped the plank. So that's California Redwood. and eastern white cedar. I will probably go through the white cedar and remove any really knotty stuff, and I'll probably save this also as well for maybe small boxes. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop. Go make some shavings.